Man, these markets is looking absolutely dog shit. These markets is looking terrible, bro. Look at this, bro. We had CPI for USD and GBP in the same 24 hours. So look, we had a huge move down, consolidation, another huge move down. We took out this sell side level, so I do expect a retracement back to equilibrium. But after two huge moves, one during New York session, and then again during fucking London session, I don't really expect much right now today. Alright, bro. My bad, bro. I just got 2 DMs on IG, bro. I replied to both of them. Two ain't hard to keep up with. But I appreciate all y'all niggas, man. I can't believe I'm about to be at 200 subs, bro. That shit is kind of wild. Like, I'm really making YouTube videos, bro. That shit is still crazy to me. But I don't know about GU today, man, because again, we had CPI for both currencies in this pair. We took out sell side and we came back up and took out this high, but I don't know, bro. We just gotta wait and see if something presents itself, but I don't really know what to expect besides a retracement up in here. I want us to rebalance into this order, this huge fair value gap right there, and start to push up towards really this area. But at the same time, I'm still bearish on GU. I've been bearish. I don't know if y'all been paying attention to my videos. I've been bearish since we were up here, to be honest. And then this really just confirmed it. After we took this out, I expected a retracement into equilibrium of this range. Equilibrium of this range, which is where that line is, right? We came up into it, sold off some more. Of course, we broke structure through this low on the daily. Started to push back down. I expect us to come down here. 4 hour. We've been pushing down. So I don't know if we're gonna come all the way up here. I really don't give a fuck if we do. But I do expect us to at least hit this 50% mark. This ain't really great structure to go off of. I don't really like what I'm seeing too much, so probably not gonna take a trade. It's gonna have to really jump off the screen like, yo, take this shit. But other than that, I'm not taking nothing on there. There's a nice setup on gold last night. I was looking at gold last night and I was like, I kind of want to trade this shit, and I couldn't go to sleep. But I decided, fuck that. I'm finna just go to sleep and trade New York session. Cause I never traded London, I never traded gold during London session. So I didn't know how good the action would be. We had swept this and I expected to push up, but we closed below this level even on the daily. So I was a little bit hesitant. I was expecting us to fill this fair value gap, which is what we did, I think. Let me see. Yeah, we filled that fair value gap. And I expected a retracement to the upside. But I was seeing this action right here, and I was like, I don't know, man. But really, it was just accumulation before manipulation and then a push back up. But this is a very slow push. But this is really the setup right here. We had this sweep up here. Boom, all of this. Put in some lows, came down, swept it again. And we start to push up. We push up above this swing high. We have a fair value gap. You can enter right there, to be honest. Right here. Stops down here. And then TP right here. That's only a 1 to 1.64. If you would have scaled into the 1 minute though, you would have noticed that this was a sell side sweep on the 1 minute. I mean, this was this sell side sweep, right? Boom. And then that wick on the 5 minute is another sweep on the 1 minute. Then we get a slow push up. We get this big move above this swing high. Boom. So now this is the new fair value gap. which actually aligns with the 5 minute. Put your stop right here, which is based on what's been happening to me. I would have put it down here, bro. I'd have put it at these lows probably. And then you put your target up here. That's a 1 to 2.6, 1 to 2.7-ish. We got in this trade at around 348, and you would have got out at 559. So that would have been like a $200 day. But I really don't give a fuck. I don't trade this shit during London session. And when shit like this happens, when you see your setup and you like, damn, I should have traded. I should have just stayed up and traded that shit. Bro, you can't think that way, bro. You can't think that way. I didn't have enough confidence. I was tired. I knew I had to go to the gym. I didn't take my nap that day. Yesterday was a weird day, bro. I didn't take a nap or nothing. So I was like, yeah, I'm just finna go to sleep. Because if I don't get a setup during London, I'm going to want to trade New York. And I'm going to be mad that I stayed up because I wouldn't be able to stay up there in New York. You feel me? So, but Bitcoin been going crazy. Same with Tau. We back at 600. This shit is going wild. I don't think y'all understand how much of me is tempted to just sell all my fucking shit right now, throw it into an account because I would be making some decent bread. No funny shit, but we gotta stick to the plan. We in it for the long run. If I could tap in right now, right? Sell my whole shit at 601. I could probably make like, let's see, like 400 a day. I could make like 400 a day if I sold right now. But if I stick to my plan, because I really believe in this project and we take off and we start hitting shit. Now taking off 25% at 2,000 is kind of crazy. I'm probably gonna take off half and then just keep taking off half until I see like something I don't like in the fundamentals, or if people start talking about this shit, because I've never heard anybody talk about this shit besides small YouTubers. I've never heard anybody mainstream talk about this crypto. Not even TJR, but let's go to UJ. UJ, I don't like UJ either for real. I expect this to push down some more though. Around this 50% mark, but it's kind of the same over here. Like, we don't really have shit to target. These lows, CPI kind of just fucked everything up. I'm still gonna look at the market though, even if I don't trade. Cause look, we took out this day's low. What is that, a week? Nah, that ain't shit on the weekly, but we took out this sell side. We tapped into this fair value gap. No, we didn't. I'm lying like a motherfucker, so just ignore what I just said. But we took out that sell side. We came down, created a 4-hour fair value gap, which we're respecting at the moment. We respected it on the 1 hour even. We never closed into it, got a rejection. We starting to reject it again, and the hour is closing in about 22 minutes. I expect us to sell off some more and at least come down in here. And this low lines up with a 1 hour fair value gap. This is CPI's fucking candle. Look at this crazy ass shit. Oh my God, that shit is wild. And it's kind of relative equal lows, but not really. And we done came back into equilibrium of this range. After sweeping out this low right here, we already came back to equilibrium. Now we're accumulating. We're in a 4-hour imbalance. Actually, this one looks the best out of all the pairs. I might just look at UJ today. This ain't looking terrible. It's just not amazing either. So we could probably take a trade on this, maybe. That's a big maybe too. I really think this is this 1 hour fair value gap is not gonna hold. We just got displacement to the downside, but that doesn't really mean shit. We might put in a swing low right here, or we might just continue down, break structure, push through this fair value gap after this little sweep. But I really anticipate us to continue with this kind of shitty action, then push up and maybe take out these highs, and then push down and create a setup within 8 o'clock. I don't think we're gonna set up before 8 o'clock because we usually don't, but we're gonna see. If I hit 24% this month on this account, I'm finna buy a prop firm, a challenge, and I'm probably going for 100K. Cause I'm not with that little small shit. Somebody in my comments said, get a 5K, do a 5K prop firm challenge. Hell nah, I ain't doing no 5K challenge, bro. I just gave my mom a band for her birthday. Now I'm not saying I'm rich yet, but I'm not the type to do some small shit like that. 5K, I could put 5K in my account right now. I would just have to sell some of my crypto, and I don't want to do that. But we ain't doing no little shit like that. If I'm getting a prop firm challenge, it's gonna be at least 50K, and I'm really going for 100K. And that shit like what, $500, $600? Yeah. I'll probably make that at my job this week. I mean these 2 weeks, this paycheck. Cause I ain't been going to work like that. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, so if I hit 24% on this account this month, I'll buy a prop firm challenge. And I'll document that shit, of course. I'm starting to reject this. I might actually take a trade on this right now. Maybe. We gotta push through this low. And I'm doing lower size. I ain't gonna lie, this is gonna be where I put my stop to break even. And I'm just gonna target this. I might take some profits in here. But again, I said we probably not gonna get this set up till 8 o'clock, so we gonna see first. We gonna see first. But nah, if I reach 24% this month, I'm finna buy a prop firm challenge, at least 100K, and I'm finna get a Logitech webcam. Cause I know y'all tired of this pixelated ass shit. Cause I'm tired of that shit. But yeah, and the reason it has to be 24%, cause a lot of people might be like, why 24%? Cause the prop firm I'm looking to buy is I'm not taking this. The prop firm I'm looking to buy, their first profit target is 8%, and on a funded account, I'm gonna be risking 1% maximum because the drawdown rules is crazy and all that shit. But right now, on my personal account, since I'm only playing with around 3,000, I'm risking 3%, so I can make like a little bit of money. You feel me? If I hit 10% on this account, it really doesn't mean shit because I'm risking 3%. That's triple what I would be risking on a prop firm. So I'm making more in the same way. If I'm risking 3% and I hit a 1 to 2, then I'm making 6%. If I'm risking 1% and I hit a 1 to 2, I'm only making 2%. So I need this shit to be proportionate to a prop firm challenge. So if I want to buy a prop firm, I have to hit 24% this month, risking 3%. If you see 3% and you lose that shit and you like, oh my God, I just lost 3%. I mean, don't risk 3% then if you can't handle it. I'm more of a risky type of dude. I definitely take risks. I dropped out of college before I knew how to trade. I just knew, all right, I'm gonna make trading work. Dropped out. I knew I was gonna drop out that year before I even knew I was gonna trade, but I'm the type to just make a decision and then trust myself. Even if I fuck up, even if the decision is wrong, I know I'm gonna get to where I need to be. It's just God is taking me there through my mistakes. So I'm cool with fucking up. I don't really care. I'm cool with losing 3%. It's all part of the journey. It's all good. But some people see me risk 3%. They're like, what the fuck? I was risking 5% at one point when my account was a lot smaller. Back when I had $100 account. But for the first probably 6 months, I was risking about $1, $2 a trade. That's another reason why I think I've been doing this shit pretty decently. Why I feel like my progress is quicker than a lot of people's. And the reason why I say than a lot of people's is because most of the traders that I know, that I watch, the people I look up to, they said it took them 2.5 years to become profitable. 2.5 years. And obviously I'm not profitable yet, but it's not gonna take me another year and a half, bro. It might take me another 6 months. And that's kind of pushing it. I ain't gonna lie. But the reason I think I'm able to, I'm trying not to sound arrogant, bro, because I really don't want people to think I'm arrogant. But the reason why I feel like I'm doing pretty well is because I did this shit with a long-term mindset, right? I was really focused on learning how to trade, bro. I did not care about making money. I knew I was gonna lose money in this shit. And I had the mindset that it's gonna take me 2 to 3 years to do this shit. I spoke about this in the last video I just posted. My mindset was so long term. I was like, bro, it's probably gonna take me 3 years to get good at this shit. And then after I get good at this shit, it's probably gonna take me another year or 2 to get rich. So my mindset is really like 4 or 5 years before getting to where I want to be at. And that's just my estimate. And then I'm going as hard as I can every day. I'm not letting that time frame limit me. I just assume, okay, it's probably gonna take me that long. But I'm gonna go hard right now. I'm still gonna go hard. I'm still gonna make this shit work as fast as possible. But I'm not focused on making it work as fast as possible. I'm just working. My work ethic makes it seem like I am trying to make it go as fast as possible. You get what I'm saying? And then at the same time, I'm trading with a $100 account, risking $1 per trade. Learning how to just trade, bro. Just learning how to trade. And I think that was good for the basics, but honestly, I learned more once I started risking more. Cause now I'm really risking money, and it actually hurts when I lose. Like it was hurting when I was losing that $1 or $2, but it was hurting my pride. That's really it. Like, damn, I gotta go into my journal and say I lost again. I gotta write down my thoughts on why I think I lost. I gotta write down how much I lost again. You gotta live that every day. Damn, I lost again. Now I gotta go write this shit in. That's another hard thing about journaling. If it fucks with your mental, like, damn, I lost again, bro. It's fucking with your psychology, bro. So when you start risking real money, it's gonna force you to really lock in. Follow your rules, do what you're supposed to do, really lock in, because you losing money and it hurts 10 times as bad. Cause now it's hurting your pride and your wallet. You feel me? So, but I took like 6-7 months trading $100, risking $1 per trade, while I had way more to play with. That's another good thing about this shit. If you just put in a very small amount and risk a very, very small amount, like I did, like $1, you're going to learn how to trade faster because you're not so deep into the emotions of it. You're not losing a whole lot of money, and you're also not losing a whole lot of money, so you can save so much more. And then once you actually get good at trading $100, you can scale up your capital. You can scale your account very easily, and you can start making money a lot faster. Boom, now we're starting to push down on GU. There is no fair value gap in here, but we did push down below this low. I think I just said GU. I'm at UJ. I kind of want to see us push down below these lows too. And if we were to do that, if we created a fair value gap in here, take it. Get the fuck off my screen, bro. Yeah, I'm still willing to take this. But we gotta come back up in the air. Down here actually isn't a bad RR still though. This shit might take off without us. I mean, it looks like it is, no cap. But we could still get an entry. But now it's really, really giving me the confirmation I want to see. We just got a lot of time on this candle left, bro. Now I'm a little less confident. If we don't close down here on the 15-minute, then I'm not taking the trade. That was a big ass wick at the last second, bro. We still shifted structure, but I think I'm gonna take it anyways. I just sold, and I'm down $10 already. I'm gonna keep it right here, no funny shit. And this gonna be my TP. So I got filled all the way down here. I think after I seen this wick, I shouldn't have got in. I think I should have held off a little bit. I ain't gonna hold you, I kinda wish I didn't take this trade. I don't think it was a good entry or a smart move at all. We moved up hard as fuck on the 1 minute. And we didn't really have no strong moves. These were very choppy candles. Then a big push up, small move down, big push up. I think I'm gonna get stopped. I kinda wanna close. But I think I need to stick to my rules. If we close above this candle, I'm gonna close the trade. It's hard to think right now while I'm in the trade watching this shit fluctuate. I want to close the trade, but I feel like that's breaking my rules because stop loss didn't get hit. I think I need to trust myself. We did have a market structure shift. We did have a big wick as well though. We are rejecting a lot. But we did close above you right here, so we could test it as inverse and then push up some more. This was a very strong candle after this rejection. I want to close, but I feel like if I close, I'm kind of like, what you call it? I already said breaking my rules. It feels like I'm just getting scared and bitching out. For me to actually feel okay again. How do I close? Need to get rid of this. Alright, we're not gonna close above that. But for me to feel okay again, I need us to close below this inverse. I need us to close below this bottom red line for me to feel good. No funny. I'm gonna move my up above this high though. Right there. I don't want to see this high get taken out. After that big rejection, I do not want to see this high get taken out. We have all this low resistance liquidity. Now I want to know, why did we reject right here? To create relative equal lows, maybe? I don't think this was a good trade. I don't. Even if I win, I gotta put this in my journal. I don't think this was a good trade, only because of this big rejection at the last second. That's really the main reason. Why did we reject like this at the last second? And I need us to start moving down. We need to close below this. Once we close below this, I'll feel a little bit better. And then once we close below this, I'm gonna be like, all right, we good. Then I'll be confident again. The fact that I'm not confident right now, that is a problem. But I'm not closing because it doesn't matter. It's just some drawdown. This is the reality of trading, bro. I'm not liking this, man. I'm not liking this shit. And we didn't even shift structure. We didn't even shift structure on the 1 minute back to the downside yet. Oh my God, man. I wish I didn't get in this trade, bro. I just gotta be honest with y'all niggas, bro. Wish I did not take this trade. This was not an A+ setup. Again, even if I take a win, bro, in my journal, I will be writing, I should not have taken this trade. Yes, I won, and yes, it worked out, but this is not a trade I should be taking. Okay, boom, we should sell off, hopefully. I do like how the 15-minute did shift structure, though, bro. I can't lie to you. Now, the rejection is what I'm thinking about, like, damn, what the fuck? And we hit equilibrium. That's what I'm not liking. That's literally the reason I don't like this trade. If we would have closed with a little bit more of a body right here, and if we close like down here, or if we close down here on this candle and then came back up the way we did, this would be a cool little trade. I'll be like, yeah, okay. Even if I got stopped right here, I'll be decent. Like, okay, cool, that was a good trade in my opinion. The fact that we rejected the way we did, and I was like, I don't know if I should get in, and then I press sell anyways, that's the reason this is a bad trade. Whether it works out, whether it doesn't work out, that is the reason it's a bad trade. That right there. So, if I get stopped, honestly, I kind of deserve it, bro. I kind of deserve it. That's God telling me, look, this is not how you trade, bro. You need to get stopped out so you can learn your lesson. And look at how we rejected right here. This is not very good market conditions, I ain't gonna lie. Now, we also never closed below, well, kind of, but we never really closed below this inverse. But this is showing that the market conditions aren't great, the way we rejected. We could still sell off, though, but we could still sell off. Not, I think we're going to. We could sell off. Right now, I'm in a trade, and it's kind of like my dick is out, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. It's like, I ain't gonna hold you. It's like, bro, I'm at the mercy of the markets now. I mean, that's how it is every time you get in a trade, but especially right now, I don't have a lot of confidence on my side. And I gotta be completely authentic, bro. Sometimes you make mistakes and you do some dumb shit like this. And that's just how it goes. And you gotta live with that shit. Now, ICT says if you feeling like you shouldn't be in a trade, like you went against your rules or you made a mistake and you don't think you should be in a trade, you should get out of the trade. And although I agree with that to a certain extent, I also disagree with it because, one, you need to learn your lesson. You need to get stopped out and lose some money and learn not to do what you did. And number two, what is number two? Am I capping? Am I talking on my ass right now? What was the whole reason why I didn't want to get out of this trade? Because I felt like I'd be breaking my rules. I don't know. I would feel guilty if I got out of this trade and then it hit my stop loss. I don't know why. I would feel guilty though, like, bro, you were supposed to lose on that. At the same time, if I got out, that just means I made the right decision, right? I don't like this shit at all, bro. I really don't. And I'm pretty irritated at myself that I took this trade. Cause it's like, bro, come on, bro. We can't keep doing stupid shit, bro. We can't be doing stupid shit like this. Like, this is not efficient price action. We got a wick right here, then a push, then a small candle push. We did close below, but it was small. And then a huge rejection wick. And then you want to get in? It would be different if I had confidence in this setup. Like, if I had confidence in this structure right here, but I don't. It's literally, this is all it boils down to, right? How I know I should not have taken this trade. Right when I see this rejection, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm thinking in my head, what the fuck? I might have said it out loud too. I'm like, nah, what was that? Why did we just reject like that? And then I'm thinking, should I still get in the trade? I'm seeing it hit where I wanted to answer off of. Should I still get in the trade? Oh, fuck it. And then I press sell. That whole interaction in my head that I had, that tells me this was a bad trade. And if I get stopped out, I deserve that shit, honestly. And it's really painful to be in this trade right now. It's hurting me, bro. It's hurting my soul right now. We need to trade below this low. Cause that's really the whole, that's the whole thing that ICT was teaching. Basically, if we trade below a low, and we come up and make a swing high, and then trade below the third candle's low in the swing high formation, then this next candle should get traded below too, and then we should start to push down. But it didn't get traded below, which is telling me this is bad price action. We're probably gonna start to consolidate. And I'm saying that right now, right? So shouldn't I use my knowledge to get out of the trade? Shouldn't I use that knowledge to get out of the fucking trade, bro? You see what I'm saying? Should I not be? Why should I stay in this trade if I'm recognizing that it's not looking good? Yet part of me some's telling me if I get out of this trade, I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what it is. Something is telling me right now I should not get out of this trade. I don't know if that's greed because I think it might work out, but isn't that gambling? Bruh, I don't know. There's too much shit going on in my head. I'm just gonna let this shit play out, bruh. I gotta reflect on this though. I swear to God, I'm finna watch this video 100 times, bro. 100 times. That's a little exaggeration, but I'm finna watch this shit a lot. And I need to meditate, bro. This shit got me stressed, bro. This shit got me stressed, bro. I'm not fucking with this shit, bro. Like right now, we're starting to accumulate. We could go anywhere. We could go absolutely anywhere. And I'm finna tell you my stop a little bit. Because if we come up to this high at all, I want to be out of the trade. Really, I want to be out of the trade right now. Yeah, just get me out, bro. Just stop me out, please. Please. So I don't have to be in this anymore, bro. Fucking damn, that was a terrible trade. Why did I take this shit? Alright, so I lost about $81 on that trade right there. 83. I lost $83. I'm back down on the account. That's what I get for taking a terrible trade. Really that simple, honestly. That's a stupid ass trade, bro. gotta put it on IG. I'm not deleting it like I did on the last one, on my last loss. Embarrassed as hell and shit. See, like, right now I'm thinking like, damn, oh my God, bro, this shit making me mad. Like, there's multiple, like, oh my God, bro. I need somebody to call me, like, to say something bad about me in the comments. I need somebody to say, like, bro, you're a fucking idiot. You said it was gonna hit your stop loss. You said you didn't want to be in the trade no more. Yet you still just let it hit your stop. You didn't cut your winners early. I mean, you didn't cut your losers short. But some was telling me, bro, that I need to hold it. Like, I don't know what it is, bro. Was I feeling guilty because I got in a bad trade? At the same time, everybody makes mistakes, bro. So it's like, you should be using your knowledge to put yourself in a better position, not just let yourself get fucked over. So I think next time I do some shit like this, I'm just gonna get out of the trade. But then, that was not a good setup, man. I'm so tired of doing dumb shit, bro. I'm so tired of doing dumb shit, bro. Hey, one thing that's good about the losses, though, I got way less footage to edit. I said twice just now. I got way less footage to edit. I need my winners to be like double my losers, bro. I'm so tired of this shit.
Who's closer?
Oh, that shit pisses me off, gang. That shit pisses me off. It's like so, bro, it's so fucking irritating, bro. I'm so tired of doing dumb shit, bro. Y'all get on my ass in the comments, please, bro. Make me feel like shit so I don't do this shit again, bro. But y'all be safe, man. I don't know what I'm about to do. I gotta go to work today, sadly. But damn, I can't believe I took that trade, bro. If you ever feeling like you start questioning your setup at the last minute, like that's really the hard. It's so hard to control yourself, but you gotta stay disciplined, bro. If you see something at the last minute, you could be like, yeah, I'm finna take this setup, yeah, I'm finna take this setup, and then at the last second, you're like, nah, I can't take it now. You feel me? But you have to be able to switch like that. You gotta be able to switch like that, because I seen this and it happened so fast, and then came into my entry. It was like for a split second, I knew I shouldn't take it, but it came into my entry so quickly, and I had just shifted from saying, yes, I'm gonna take this trade, that I couldn't restrain the impulsive desire to get in still. You see what I'm saying? So, I mean, every loss is a learning experience, but it just hurts to know you a better trader than this, and your progress it keeps slowing down. You're not reaching your full potential because you just can't. You just doing dumb shit, bro. To be honest, like this shit, it's pretty fucking irritating, bro. Like I just wanna. I don't even know. I can't even explain the amount of anger I have with myself right now, but it's all good, man. We gonna come back tomorrow. Maybe. Who knows? What's the news tomorrow? No, we probably not trading tomorrow. We might trade tonight. During London, but who knows? But I'm finna get off the charts.